Hey everyone, Archimon here, and welcome to another Pokemon Go opening. Today, we're going to open a bunch of Pokemon Go packs, chasing some big hits. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Lightning Energy, Leaf Energy, Lutone, Ivysaur, Pokestop, Aprion, Slowpoke, Lavatar, Apion, Pit Dove, Eevee, and Full Art Dragonite V. Gonna go with Fire Energy, Leaf Energy, Lanchi, Solrock, Egg Incubator, Slowpoke, Onix, Charmander, Bitoff, Wimpod, Chansey, and another Executor V. Steel Energy, Candle, Lutone, Rare Candy, Onix, Charmander, Bitoff, Wimpod, Pit Dove, Pikachu, and a Blastoise Hollow. Very nice. Go with Fire Energy, Leaf Energy, Lure Module, Camerupt, Blanche, Bulbasaur, Numwell, Raticate, Tranquil, Lavatar, Gospod, and a Mewtwo V. Poison Energy, Rare Candy, Chansey, Spark, Numwell, Raticate, Tranquil, Lavatar, Zapdos, and another Dragonite. Dragonite V this time. Excellent. Leaf Energy, Unisvent, Lure Module, Poopa, Meltan, Eevee, Pikachu, Squirtle, Burial, Snorlaxy, and another Slaking V. Water Energy, Chansey, Ivysaur, Uzzafet, Aprion, Lavatar, Apion, Spinax, Rattata, and another Spinax. But this is a Ditto card, and we got a Hollow Moltres, but we got a Ditto, ladies and gents. Alright. And ta-da! Ditto! Very nice. We got a Ditto. Finally. Darkness Energy, Slowbro, Lutone, Chansey, Onix, Eevee, Numwell, Raticate, Lavatar, Melmetal, and we got a Hollow Charizard. Finally get a Charizard, ladies and gentlemen. Got the Radiant. Poison Energy, Arios, Egg Incubator, Slowrock, Eevee, Numwell, Raticate, Bulbasaur, Tranquil. We got another Ditto, and we got a Slaking V. So we got a double bubble Ditto and a Full Art Slaking V. Right. Very nice. A V-Star card, Slowrock, Egg Incubator, Charmeleon, Onix, Eevee, Magikarp, Aprion, Charmander, Wartortle, and a Melmetal V for last pack magic. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video. You got something out of it. We got some pretty good hits, didn't we? Anyway, I'll see you all in the next video.